Hwa-Rang pattern, 31 moves. Hwa-Rang is named after the Hwa-Rang youth group, which originated in the Silla Dynasty about 1,350 years ago. This group eventually became the driving force for the unification of the three kingdoms of Korea. Ready, stance C. Left palm heel, right punch, left punch. Right square block, left reverse upset punch, right punch. Right downward knife hand strike, left punch. Left flow block, right punch, left hand grab, right side kick, right knife hand strike, left punch, right punch, left double knife hand block, right spear hand, left double knife hand block, right round kick, left round kick, left double knife hand block, left flow block, right reverse punch, left reverse punch, right reverse punch, X block low, sliding elbow strike, inner forearm block low block, inner forearm block low block, left double knife hand block, right double knife hand block,